All right, shortly we're going to be looking at how to export your Binance futures trade result. So before you can do that, you must have initiated a trade. So you can't just export uh, results when the trade is not live or when the trade is not in progress. So the trade must have been be started. All right, so whether you are losing in the trade or you are gaining, you can export the result. So whether it's a loss or a profit, you can export the result. So how do you do that? First, you may want to customize your your Binance Futures referral code. Do you understand? If you didn't customize it, which means you are using the default setting, then your Binance Futures referral code will just have a set of digits, a set of numbers. All right, but if you want to customize it, maybe you want to put your name or your nickname or whatever name you have, you want to customize it, you get. So what you're going to do in that case is you need to watch one of my videos where I taught on how to go about that very aspect. So what I will do is I will attach a link to that very video in the description of this video I'm shooting right now. Okay, now before we proceed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Smash that button right now. Smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you stay informed and you stay notified as we keep releasing more videos. So let's go ahead. Now, if you want to know how to export your Binance Futures results, and maybe before now you don't know how to do that, but you have already set up you have already customized your Binance Futures referral code, then you've started a trade, okay? Because you can't do this aspect now without having a trade running. So you've started a trade, but you don't know how to export it. You do see other people, showcase their own, but you don't know how to do yours. All right. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you do is, first of all, you should have a trade running. Like in this case now, I have a trade that is running. Okay, I have a trade that is running. So next is you click on this share button. Can you see this share button? Ow! Let me see. I can't find my indicator. I wanted to just kind of show us where the share button is. But can you see this button at the right hand side? Look at this place. It said Sand USDT Perpetual isolated 8x. All right, that is the leverage is 8x. So after isolated 8x, see the other symbol by your right hand side that is like a share button, like you want to share a file. Do you get? So you tap on that button that has something like three dots. Can you see it? So you tap on it. Can you see this? So when you tap on it, your result will pop up. So like this result now, this is a result showing that I'm making profit. Do you understand? So probably if I'm to maybe check on this result later on, it could be that I'm losing in the trade. So whichever way, but our focus here is to show us how to export our results in Binance Futures trading. You understand? So let me go back again. So all you do is you tap on this share button. Look at the share button by your right hand side. After Sand USDT Perpetual isolated 8x. All right, then look at the right hand side, that thing that has three dots on top of ROE, that's the share button. So you click on it. Once you click on it, then it means you've exported your futures result. Okay, you've exported it. So what you do at this point, you click on save image, this button here, save image. You tap on it, so it will be downloaded into your gallery. So that's how you go about this very aspect of exporting your Binance Futures results. All right, I will drop, like I said, I will drop the link to the video that shows you how to customize your Binance Futures referral code. I will drop the link in the description of this very video. Okay, so see you guys next time in the next video.